Imagine waking up and your MariBank savings is gone because a scammer got your password. It can happen to anyone. One phishing link, one fake link in bio site, and your money's out the door. But there's a feature that can stop that, even if your account's already compromised. It's called Money Lock. And here's the simplest way to think about it. It's a vault inside your vault. So you take part of your Mary savings balance, could be a portion, could be almost all of it, and you lock it. Once it's locked, that money cannot move. Not a transfer, not a withdrawal, nothing. Without, of course, the extra verification first. And that's the whole point. Even if a scammer somehow gets your password or your OTP, they will hit a wall at your locked funds. They can't just sweep everything out in one shot. Your locked money still earns the same savings interest the whole time. You're not losing anything by protecting it. Now, here's why this hits different if you're a freelancer. One of the main reasons is because our income doesn't come with a company's fraud team watching our back. If something goes wrong, we're recovering that money alone. It will be all by ourselves. So, most freelancers keep client payments, savings, and emergency funds all in one account. That's exactly the kind of balance the scammers go after because one successful phishing attempt can wipe out months of work. Money Lock basically forces a pause, even in a worst case scenario. You or the bank get a chance to catch it before the money's actually gone. So how do you set up Money Lock on MariBank? Let me go ahead and show you how to do it.
To get started with Money Lock on MariBank, first log in to your MariBank account. Once you're logged in, click on that Me icon at the bottom right. And from here, choose Money Lock. So you can see here what this is used for. So you just go ahead and click Next. Tap Add Funds to Money Lock. And then you'll have to decide how much money you would like to lock. So for me, I'll go ahead and lock 1,000. One of the things you need to remember is that the locked funds that you have, you will not be able to use it for recurring payments. So if you have any subscriptions, make sure that you have enough available balance so you can avoid paying late fees. So once you're done, tap on Confirm. All right, so we have now successfully added 1,000 to our Money Lock, so that's already secure. Do remember that even if you have already added funds to your Money Lock, you can still add additional funds if for some reason you needed to add additional funds to your lock money. Do the same process, just tap on Add Funds to Money Lock and that will add another fund to what you have already added. Now, how do we unlock that money or that fund from our account? So we'll go ahead and do the same procedure. All right, so go ahead and click Money Lock and then tap Unlock Funds. Then tap Next. And from here, we'll go ahead and confirm that we're going to unlock 1,000. So this will require facial verification, which is of course a lot better than just, OTPs and things like that. So once you complete the facial verification, your money is unlocked, then you can go ahead and that now becomes available to your account and you can just go ahead and hit done. All right, so that is how you can protect your money inside your MariBank account.
So a quick recap. Money Lock locks part of your savings so it can't move without extra verification. It still earns interest and it takes a very short time to turn it on. So if you're a freelancer keeping a considerable money in your MariBank account, be sure to lock a portion of your funds. It's a free security upgrade, so why not use it for extra peace of mind, right? So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your freelancer friends, and hit subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.